Hello, here's some computer help for you. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a YouTube channel. First, log into the channel that you wish to delete. Then go to the channel's dashboard. I'm going to delete this channel titled If Creatures Could Talk. In the left side column, I go down to the Settings link. When I click, a pop-up emerges. I go to the second option in that left side column, which is Channel. After that, I click on Advanced Settings in the top horizontal menu. I scroll down to the very bottom of that window until I see Remove YouTube Content. I click there to access a new page that has two options. I can hide my content or permanently delete my content. That's what I want to do. I click the down arrow on that option. Here, the platform wants me to make sure that I know the full consequences of my choice. It lists the assets that are attached to my channel so that I know what I'm about to lose. I read these, then I click the boxes, and then I click on the Delete My Account button in the bottom right corner. I now see a new window that gives me one last chance to reconsider my choice. It states that the data I'm about to delete can't be restored. I'm okay with that, so I type the name of my channel in the box. If Creatures Could Talk. Then I click on Delete My Account. The last message tells me that the deletion process has begun, and the process could take a couple of days. I hope that's helpful to you. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.